Okay, just want to show you that the sensor body or the sensor holder is common in all those devices, and that fits the sensor using the rear end threads. The sensor screws into position. That can be then used on the extension rod like that, or used with a fixed fitting. Alternatively, can be used in here with a compression fitting. This one. Show the guy up. And I'll reverse it again. Okay. And if you're not using, don't want to weld it in place, you can thread one into the process line and still use a fitting.